His name is Beans. Fresh out of the freezing Pacific, he drags his belly across the sand like he just ran a marathon. Then suddenly, don't worry, Beans isn't sick. That sneeze was salt. Beans is a marine iguana, found only in the Galapagos Islands. And he's not your average lizard. He dives into the ocean, eats algae off underwater rocks, and ends up swallowing a ton of seawater. But here's the wild part. Beans has special salt glands by his nose. When there's too much salt in his body, he sneezes it out. Like a tiny sea dragon. It's gross. It's genius. It's Beans.